Is Next Insurance actually a good fit for your business? Let's break down who it's best for and when you might want to look elsewhere. Next Insurance is ideal for small business owners in low to moderate risk industries. Think consultants, creatives, online retailers, fitness coaches, and handymen. Freelancers and solopreneurs who need affordable, fast, and flexible coverage they can buy without ever picking up the phone. Digital first operators. If you'd rather click through your policy online than sit in a broker's office, Next was literally made for you. And with features like instant certificate of insurance, monthly payments, and 100% online claims, it's built for speed and simplicity. Want to find out if it's right for you? Click the link in the description to get your quote and explore coverage options that fit your exact business. Fast, simple, and built for small business owners.